and sir, good day. I am Fanny Frantes, 39 years old, married. I am a high school graduate. I am a mother of 3 children. My eldest son is 17 years old and my 2 daughters aged 14 and 11. They are all studying. I am an ex-abroad working as domestic helper in Bahrain for 2 years. I serve a happy family in Bahrain, a husband and wife, and their 6 children. During my stay in Bahrain, I used to do all household chores. I clean the house, wash clothes, ironing, cooking Arabic food, and go marketing and preparing foods for the kids. I am a honest person, self-motivated, and can work without any supervision. Mom and sir, if you will hire me, I am very much willing to serve your family and treat your family as my own. I hope you will consider me to work and be part of your family. Thank you so much.